to show you how to make a sitting dog pop-up, which is just a fun way of using the acute angle V-fold. The acute angle V-fold is quite an unusual mechanism, not used very often, but this is quite a nice way of using it. So here's the base sheet. I've already folded it. I'll just give it a bit more folding. We're going to use a sheet like this, folded in half and creased really well. And I already started making one, so the stage I'd got to was this. Here's the original sheet. Here's how it fits onto the original sheet. Here's the first crease, and we put a crease coming up from that corner at roughly 45 degrees, depending really on what angle you want your dog sitting at. Like that, folded back. As you can see, this is the crease, so there's tabs along the bottom. We cut tabs off. Cut the tabs off here. We'll sort that out some more in a minute. We also want the front of the dog to be coming down here, so we'll just cut straight up there. You can draw your sitting dog onto it, so we have the back legs are sort of like this and coming forward, so they're part of the tab. We have the dog's chest coming up like this and his front legs coming down like this and the front foot there. Now we can cut those out, which is what I've already done. So here's my drawing, here's what I've done. These are the tabs. They're going to fold in underneath or outside. Let's have a look how it's going to sit on the page. Like this, like that. Probably have the front paws in and the back paws out. I've also made a little slit at the back here so we can fit a tail in. I'm also going to make the very top into a couple of tabs so we can stick a head on there. Bend those over. You open it up. There's the two tabs at the top that we're going to stick the head on with. Now we'll stick the dog down on the page. Just see, what sort of angle you want him at. Do you want him really wide? I think pretty narrow is best. I might actually put the tail in before we go any further. So I'll just cut a nice curly tail, curling up. Maybe a little bit bushy, so a bit foxy maybe. Put a bit of glue on one side. And put it in there so it shuts up. Now we glue the two back legs. Maybe on this version I've made them slightly small for such a big dog. So we'll just do one side and then we'll fold it down before we do the other. So he's going to be something like this. So there's one leg. Now we close it down, put a bit of glue on the other side. Should have done the front feet while I was at it, but here we go, shut this down. Sorry, I've made a mistake with this tail. It's just at a bad angle. Move it up. There we are. Now I can shut this down. He's sitting up. This foot hasn't been glued. I better put some glue on that. I did say I thought they'd be better pointing in. I've got that one pointing out. I'll make this other one pointing in. I've glued it in place. The glue is still soft, so I'll just shut it down so if it needs to move, it can still move. There we are. That's the basic dog. And now we need a head. So something like one of these. I'll just take a nice triangular bit of card. Right, this looks like quite a good dog head actually. Maybe something like this. see what that looks like. Fold the tabs out. See how that is? Not too bad. Maybe too big. Maybe all right. I think that's probably okay, really. I might make a couple more flaps so I can put a couple of ears on as well. So bend those over, bend them back, bend them individually. Now I'll stick the dog head on. A little bit of glue on each side. Slide that on. While it's soft, just see what you think. Is that a good angle? Down a bit more, up a bit more. Quite like it up. See how that's working. It seems to be okay. And now the ears. Well, again, I'll just make them quite floppy looking ears. Something like that maybe. And that should be able to stick on like that. Put a bit of glue on. Stick the ears on, there we are. Quite a simple pop-up, quite easy to make, a nice, useful use of the pointed V-fold. If you want, you can always dress the dog up. You could, stick a hat on it, put a jacket on it, socks, just play around. You can also, of course, decorate the base that it's sitting on. So that's it, nice simple pop-up.